As the term DeFi or decentralized finance alludes to, the name of the game is providing decentralized alternatives to traditional financial services such as lending, insurance, and so on. So let's focus on the most obvious use case, lending and borrowing. Aave is essentially a decentralized lending protocol built on top of Ethereum that enables users to lend or borrow cryptocurrency without a centralized middleman. The process, fundamentally speaking, involves the same variables as with traditional finance, where you receive your loan from a lender, such as a bank. The lender will demand collateral, for example, real estate, and you pay back the money you borrow plus interest so as to reward the lender for taking on risk. So when it comes to Aave, you simply replace banks with smart contracts called lending pools, and collateral can be represented by various cryptocurrencies. Those lending pools are funded by, well, anyone who's willing to deposit digital assets there so as to be rewarded for taking on risk. How generously you're rewarded depends on the extent to which your digital assets are needed. So for example, if there's a shortage of cryptocurrency X in a lending pool, those who deposit it will be rewarded more generously, whereas if there's plenty of cryptocurrency X, you won't make much money by depositing more. Now, under certain circumstances, Aave even lets you borrow without collateral through flash loans. The catch is that these are ultra short-term loans that must be repaid with interest within seconds, more specifically within the same block, or else the transaction gets canceled. Thus, they represent options for arbitrage projects rather than traditional longer-term borrowing. And finally, there are two main types of tokens in the ecosystem. Tokens given to lenders so they can collect interest and receive various perks, and the Aave native token, which can be used as collateral, as well as for raising borrowing limits, bypassing fees, speculation, and governance.